Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, so in this video, I will explain to you the answer for question number 9 for trial PSPM set number 2. Okay, so question number 9, a particle is moving 3 times faster than proton. The ratio of the de Broglie wavelength of the particle to the proton is 1.716 times 10 power 4. Calculate the mass of particle. Okay, so just recall back the de Broglie wavelength is equals to H, Planck constant equals over mv, mass times velocity. Okay, so it states that the particle is moving 3 times faster than the proton. Okay, that means the velocity of the particle is 3 times the velocity of proton. Okay, so that's the info given, and then it says that ratio of de Broglie wavelength of particle is to the proton. Okay, so de Broglie wavelength, wavelength of particle over the wavelength of proton is equals to 1.716 times 10 power of 4. Okay, so now we can substitute lambda equal h over mv into this ratio. Okay, I will show you the answer. Okay, so wavelength of particle is h over mv, m mass of particle, v the speed of the particle, divide by h over mv for proton. Okay, and then we can rearrange this h over mass of particle, velocity particle times proton, velocity of proton. Okay, so from here, Planck constant, we can cancel out Planck constant. Velocity of particle is 3 times velocity of proton. Okay, so now we can substitute velocity of particle is 3 times the velocity of proton. Okay, so now we can cancel the velocity of proton. Okay, so this equation becomes mass of proton divided by 3 times mass of particle. Okay, where the ratio is equals to 1.716 times 10 power of 4. Okay, so mass of proton we can find from the list of constant. Okay, write down the mass of proton 1.672 times 10 power of negative 27 kg. Okay, and then we just calculate and we get the answer. The mass of the particle is 3.25 times 10 power of negative 32 kg. Okay, so for the marking, okay, one mark is for concept. Okay, the concept, okay, as long as you write velocity of particle is 3 times velocity of proton, okay, so that's 1 mark. Okay, given 1 mark for this concept. And then G1 is gantian. 1 mark for gantian. Okay, gantian. Okay, as long as okay, so this part. Okay, this part. Okay, so gantian means gantian for mass of proton and gantian for the ratio of the wavelength. And JU, okay, jawapan and unit 1 mark. Okay, JU jawapan unit 1 mark for the final answer. Okay, so that's for question number 9.